Hello, my friends. This is Meir. My teaching is simple. Many people are saying that the truth is simple, but the way to the truth is full of obstacles. Here is the truth. You can improve your vision. You can prevent arthritis. You can prevent many problems, and all of this with exercises. How to go about it when we have this prejudice that vision cannot improve, that your arthritis is to stay, and your spine is here to stay, spine problems here to stay? Well, that's why you're coming to my workshops. Because you come feeling one way, and that means feeling pessimistic about yourself, and you leave feeling another way, very optimistic about life. And so come and work with me. I'm going to go to 6 different countries. This might be the last workshop that I'm giving in this season in San Francisco. I'll try to find another date, but if I don't, come to this Labor Day weekend. It's going to be wonderful.